Hi guys, this is Tina with Everyday Home with Tina. The holidays are fast approaching, and I wanted to share my holiday setup for my buffet area. The first thing I did was to make sure that the area that I'm going to use for my buffet is centralized and easy to access. The buffet area should have varying heights for the items that's going to be placed there. It should be peaks and valleys. You can use everyday items for this, like inverted pots, just turn a pot upside down, old boxes, cake pans, trays, etc. Place your covering on top of those boxes and set up your buffet with your serveware. I'm using white serveware and it pops against the orange fabric. My recommendation is to have some type of decoration on the buffet as well. On your buffet area, make sure that you have a serving spoon for each item on the buffet, and make sure that you have a spoon rest to place it. You want to have your accompanying items. For example, if you're serving dressing and you have gravy, make sure that the gravy boat is near the dressing, so it would just be easier for them to just pour it on top of it. You have your salad dressing bowls near the salad, and etc. Now, if you're going to be doing this type of buffet often, my recommendation is that you invest in chafing dishes if you do not have them. Chafing dishes are important because it allows you to keep hot food hot and cold food cold. You can use your chafing dishes for cold food as well. For example, you would just take in the bottom of the reservoir, you would just fill it with ice, and then place the pan that the food is going to be served in on top of the ice, and that would keep your item cold. For example, if you had potato salad and you wanted to keep it cold. In setting up your buffet, you need to consider the flow of traffic. Where do you want your line to start? Wherever the line starts, you want to put your dishes in the front, near the front of the line. For me, I place my meats and or main items in the chafing dishes. And then the rest of the items, like the salads and the secondary meats and breads, pastas, I would place those in the white serveware. Also, with your buffet, make sure that you have a name card for each food item so that your guests will know what is contained in the chafing dishes. And maybe, like, say for example, if you had something with nuts in it, you would be able to indicate on the card that there were nuts in that item so that people with those particular allergies would know to avoid them. So I appreciate you watching, and I thank you, and I want you to have a great holiday, have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.